Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete voice messages on WhatsApp. We've all been there, sending a voice message and immediately regretting it. Maybe you said something embarrassing, or perhaps you sent it to the wrong person. Whatever the reason, don't worry. I'm here to show you how to quickly and easily delete those voice messages. Let's dive right in with the updated method for deleting voice messages on WhatsApp. The process is straightforward and works on both Android and iOS devices. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll see your list of chats. Find the conversation where you sent the voice message you want to delete. Tap on that chat to open it. Now, scroll through the conversation until you find the voice message you want to remove. This is where the magic happens. Tap and hold on the voice message bubble. You'll notice a menu appears at the top of your screen. Look for the trash can icon among the options at the top. It's usually on the right side. Tap on that trash can icon, and you'll see a pop-up with deletion options. Here's the crucial part. Select Delete for Everyone. This option ensures that the voice message disappears not just from your chat, but also from the recipient's end. It's like the message never existed. And there you have it. The voice message is now deleted for both you and the recipient. Remember, you typically have a limited time window to delete messages for everyone. So act fast if you change your mind about a voice message. One last tip. Always double-check before sending voice messages to avoid any potential mishaps. But if you do make a mistake, now you know how to fix it quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. 1, 2, 3.